our fun game. A comes first with an apple red brown. A for apple, the letter said. B rolls in with a bouncing ball glove. B for ball, let's say it all. C brings a cat that says meow-ee. C for cat, let's try it now. D has a dog that runs to play me-do. D for dog, shout hooray! E brings an elephant big and tall. F has a fish that swims in the halls. G brings a goat that likes to hop. H has a hat that goes flip-flop. I brings ice cream, yummy treat, bow. J has jam that's nice and sweet. Oh! K flies a kite up in the sky. L roars lion, oh my God! M brings a monkey swinging free. N has a nest in a tree. Tree. O brings an all who bays. P hugs panda, peekaboo. Q is queen with a crown so plump. R is rabbit, hopping light. S is sun that shines all day. T is train that says choo-choo, away rain. U has umbrella for rainy fun play. V drives van in the sun. Yeah. W is whale in the sea hum. X is x-ray, look and see you. Y plays yo-yo up and down. Z is zebra with stripes so brown. Choo-choo, the ride is done. Learning